Namaskar. In today's video, we are going to make a small Warli painting. We'll use the sketches which we have learned in the previous class. Let's start. Now we are going to draw the design of sun. So I'm taking this white color. Those who are not confident with white color paintings, please use the pen, any color pen on any color paper. I'm using 000 number brush. Now in this we are making small triangle and a circle. Another small triangle and a circle. So your sun is ready. Your first motive is sun. After drawing this much, fill the color in the triangle also. We are going to learn how to draw a Warli figure. Warli figure is made of a triangle. So this place on the paper, we will show a lady who is carrying the wooden sticks on her head. To draw that, first just draw freehand circle, then show two lines, that is the neck, one triangle, very simple, one triangle, upper half of the body, second triangle, lower half of the body, one leg and second leg, then one hand and second hand. When we show a bun, it will become a lady. Without a bun, it will be a male. And then show 1, 2, 3, 4 wooden sticks and they are tied together. So show that's all. This figure will come here. Yes, see again. I'm showing lines here in the dress. Here, between sun and this lady below, first we will learn to show a fire. This is the burner on which somebody is cooking, and these are the firewood, and this is the fire. Everything with the same color, whichever color you are using. Yes, next. This is one lady who is doing something, and this is her second hand. And other one is standing here. Both the ladies' legs will face towards the fire. Now come to next figure. Draw a circle. It will be little slanting. So this triangle, upper triangle is slanting. This lady is bending. Like sometime your mummy is bending and doing some work. So this is a bowl and she is dropping something in the bowl. Our next is we are going to draw below this lady 2 chickens. So our chickens are ready. Now next one we are going to draw men. So men will not have bun, just the circle, that's all. Show 2 lines. Now here, this is the upper body of the drummer and lower body of the drummer is hidden behind. So this is one hand of the drummer and this is other hand, but we will complete the other hand afterwards. First, we are going to draw the drum. So, here is the drummer bow. And bring this hand here. So drummer is beating the drum and on the drum we are showing diamonds as design. So our drummer boy is ready. Now we are going to make a house. So here comes the bigular. And his legs are facing this side because we are going to show his bigule also here. So one hand is here holding and other one is here. Fill color in the triangles. So this one is trumpet. Now next one is the house. They are keeping some vessels in the loft. This is something hanging from the roof so that cat and dog will not eat. And here is our grandma who is looking after the house very well. And most of the grandma have a stick. So this grandma also has a stick. Now see, grandma's is standing with the stick, and here is a bird. Very simple bird. Just one O, make one O, one circle and a beak and two legs. Finish. We are drawing a tree. So now our tree is also ready. Just make some leaves. This is mummy going. She has filled water from the well. So mama is going home. And a baby boy is there with mama. Baby boy is holding mama's hand. Baby's feet will be same direction as mama because they are going home and this is their house. This lady is blowing the air. This is called a bamboo thing or a metal thing. In Hindi we call it ukni. And when you blow the air, the fire will become very strong. So she is blowing the air, and this is the pot which is getting food, and there are some coal pieces. Our painting is completed now. I hope you like the video. Kindly like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Thank you. Dhanyavad.